All right, guys, so today we're going to be comparing two different drill drivers here. We've got the Skills Power Core 20 and the worx Nitro 20 volt drill. The Skills Power Core 20 is a 17 speed clutch and of course open for drill. And here we've got the worx, which is an 18 speed clutch. And of course we've got open for drilling as well. Both very nice drills, lightweight. Honestly, they're both very close in weight. The Skills might be a little bit more lightweight. The worx Nitro, again, just has a little bit more weight in the handle, and it feels like it's got a little bit more to it. But this is also a very nice drill. I've used the Skills a lot before, and I really like the Power Core 20. There's a lot of power in those. They both have 2 amp hour batteries. Again, you have different options. You've got a 6 amp hour battery with this, and here you can go up as well to a 4 amp hour and an 8 amp hour. Both of them, again, first and second gear. Again, very easy to switch it back and forth. We've got a single light on both. Hit the trigger, and you're going to see that light come up. Now we have variable speed triggers on both. So they both have that, which is nice. Now here's where we get to some of the differences here. We have up to 400 pounds of torque in this one. And again, that's going to be your first gear setting, most likely, as the second gear doesn't have as much torque, just more speed. Whereas the worx has up to 500 pounds of torque. So a little bit more torque here on the worx than the Skills. Both of them have keyless chucks, which is nice. Again, the worx is a metal chuck. This they're metal, but it's got a plastic housing on it for the Skills. So very similar in that realm. Now RPMs, we've got 450 to 1700. Again, 450 is going to be your first gear, 1700 is going to be your second gear, and the worx is 500 to 2100 RPMs. So again, a little bit more speed with this. Both very powerful, nice drills. Again, I love the Power Core 20 batteries. They have a lot of power, and I've compared them before. Now, those are the specs on the drills. I'm going to actually do some drilling here in a second. So let's put these into drill mode and put them both into second gear, and we'll see which one has more power. All right, let's start off with the Skills here. Again, keyless chuck. Very easy. Lightweight, again, love that. Let's see how this does. Quite a bit of power there. Went right through it, no problem. All right, let's try the worx out here. Again, a little bit more weight here, just in the body of it as well, but let's try it out. Very similar. I mean, honestly, they both had a lot of power for a 2 amp hour battery. I'd be happy with either one of them. I think they both do a great job. Again, that Power Core 20's got a lot, and honestly, the PowerShare 20 volt 2 amp hour battery has quite a bit of power too. I'd recommend either one of them. I think they're both nice drills.